Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna talk a little bit slower. Okay guys, so let's just take a breath and let's focus on this video because it's going to be very important because we're gonna talk about strings, which are a data type, and a data type is basically a way to abstract information. Okay, so let's get started by type print because I need to show you guys something. As you can see right here, we have this value which can be any sort of value. Okay, so let's create a string. I'm gonna create a string and I'm gonna give it a name. Okay, so let's just create a string. I'm gonna create a object, okay, or a variable, which the name pretty much says what it is. Okay, it's something that changes. I'm gonna create an object called named, and I'm gonna give it a value. Notice the equal sign. The equal sign means that this is equal to something. Okay, so I'm gonna give it some information, which is going to be my name. Okay, so and I have this. Okay, I have name equal Pedro. So what this means is that Pedro is something. Okay, the equal sign means that we are creating an object, okay, or we're making an instance of an object, because Python is object oriented. Okay, so if I type name, I get this result, which is Pedro, which means that if you are in the Python interpreter and we type an object that already exists. Just to show you how this works, I'm gonna type dir, which is a keyword. Okay, dir. I type dir function. Okay, dir function, and we see all the objects that are available in this instance of the idle or the Python interpreter. We have some information here. There is not let's say useful, but at the end of this list we have, I already said what kind of data this is. Okay, so at the end we have name, which is an object that we have right here. Okay, this object name. So this is a string. Okay, so strings can be created in two different ways. We can create string with double quotes or just single quotes. This is up to you, but I usually use double quotes because it's more easier to remember, but you can just choose whatever you want. So let's say I want to make some operation. If I type name times 5, I'm just gonna get this, which is not very intuitive, but I get what they try to do. So you can make concatenation. Okay, we can use the plus sign to make a concatenation, which means that we are going to add some text to another text. I'm gonna add my last name, a bunch of spaces plus my last name, and we get this. Okay, so this is it, guys. I think I have explained a little bit of what strings are, and in the next video I'm gonna talk about integers, and then we're gonna move on to more data types and more stuff about Python. So thank you for watching, and see you next video.